New leak reveals Xiaomi electric scooter 6 pricing and release date, with a new Ultra model reportedly joining the lineup. Xiaomi unveiled its new electric scooter 6 lineup last month as 4 models from the series appeared on the company's global website. Now, a reliable leaker has given us an idea about the pricing, release date, and a possible new model. Xiaomi unveiled its new electric scooter 6 lineup last month, giving us an early look at what the next generation of its scooters will offer. Models like the electric scooter 6, electric scooter 6 Lite, electric scooter 6 Pro, and electric scooter 6 Max appeared on Xiaomi's global website, but no pricing or release date was shared. However, we now have a good idea about both thanks to a new leak. The latest details come from Billbil-kun, a leaker known for accurately revealing prices and launch details before companies make things official. According to their report, Xiaomi is preparing a total of 5 electric scooter 6 models for the European market. Alongside the 4 models already listed online, Xiaomi is also planning to launch a brand new Ultra variant. This is the biggest change compared to last year. The electric scooter 5 series topped out at the Max model, but Xiaomi now appears to be pushing further with a higher-end Ultra version. Billbil-kun confirms that the Xiaomi electric scooter 6 Ultra will be released in Europe, although it may arrive slightly later than the rest of the lineup. The Ultra model stands out as the most powerful version in the series. It keeps the shared features of the range, including 12-inch tires, but adds several major upgrades. These include a stronger motor, longer range, dual disc brakes, and a higher maximum load capacity of 140 kilograms. Billbil-kun also mentions that, unlike other models, the electric scooter 6 Ultra will only be sold in yellow. As far as the pricing is concerned, some electric 6 models are expected to see a price increase of up to €50 compared to last year. The electric scooter 6 Lite is expected to start at €329.99, while the standard electric scooter 6 should cost €399.99 at launch. The Pro and Max models move further up the price ladder, with expected prices of €549.99 and €649.99, respectively. At the top end, the electric scooter 6 Ultra is expected to launch at €799.99. At the moment, 4 models from the electric scooter 6 lineup are expected to be released on February 10, 2026. In Europe, the Ultra model may arrive later, as it does not yet have a confirmed release date.